here and tape the window washer.
How often are you in your room when the window man comes to clean it? Not very often. Rock on.
This is the window washing man. We got out of class early to come watch this. It was worth it.
Say hi, Erica.
Hey, hey! Don't worry. Cambria is also taping.
Hi! Don't open our he's gonna like come through our window.
That'd be so funny.
Ah!
If he comes through, we're not sure what we're gonna do.
It's true.
But he looks
true.
like a nice guy, so.
Kind of random that he just like opened our window though. He probably thinks it's random that we're videotaping him washing our windows.
It's a lot better view when the window's not in the way.
There's another one out there.
I wonder how often he gets videotaped.
Not very often, I'm sure.
Well, this is my future job. If I stay in China, this is what I'm doing.
No, Erica, this is Chinese extreme sport.
Yeah.